Hey everyone, Wynn here, and this week we're going to answer one of the oldest questions ever asked. Why is the sky blue? For this experiment, we're going to need a tall glass or container, we're going to need white soap or milk powder, and a flashlight that shines white light. Mix your soap into your water and let it come to a rest. Now shine your light into the mixture. The bigger the container, the more distinct the colors can be. What's happening here is called the Tyndall effect, named after John Tyndall, who studied how light scatters with particles in the air. What do you think would happen if we shined the light from a different angle? Or a different colored soap? Would it create a different colored sky? Share your findings down in the comments below, or create your own post and use the hashtag MyFCPL so that way we can see your findings too. And I'll see you next week with another video. Keep on exploring and have some fun.